How to unarchive chats on Messenger. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Have you archived chats on Messenger and now want to unarchive them? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to unarchive chats on Messenger. Open Messenger on a device. You will land on the chat section. Over here, you won't see any of the archived chats as they are hidden once archived. To view all archived chats, you will need to go to the archive section in Messenger. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top. A menu will appear. Tap on the option for archive. Over here, you will see all of the archived conversation on Messenger. Long press on the conversation you wish to unarchive. A menu will appear. Tap on the option for unarchive. Once you unarchive a conversation, it will be removed from the archive section. Then it will start to show in the chat section of Messenger. And there you have it, you have successfully learned how to unarchive chats on Messenger. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.